at NASFA Hotel for the Niger State Government State Operations and Coordinating Unit SOCU in collaboration with the National Social Safety Net Coordinating Office and National Identity Management Commission for a 3-day step-down training for local government desk officers and enumerators on SSRNNI integration and update exercise. This program is organized by the State Operation and Coordinating Unit for the capture of vulnerables here in Niger State. We are at the official program for State Operation Coordinating Unit here at NASFA Hotel. We have the national officials.
We would like to swiftly go into the goodwill messages for this very event. First, beginning with the Statistician General of the state,
Hajia Hawa.
person of Haji.
We have the Permanent Secretary, Niger State Planning Commission. We have the Statistician General of Niger State. We have the Director, ECD, Niger State Planning Commission. That is State Operation and Coordinating Unit.
Entire management staff of Niger State and Planning Commission, all the directors, distinguished ladies and gentlemen of the press media, you're all welcome. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to this special event of training of enumerators, local government desk officers, and the grievance managers in all the 25 local government areas in Niger State on integrating the national identity number into the National Social Register as well as updates of the Social Register. This initiative is a crucial part of government's efforts to enhance the efficiency, accuracy of the National Social Register, that's NSR, and ensure that all social interventions reach out to the most vulnerable among Nigerians and Nigerians at large. I'm the State Coordinator for Social State Operations and Coordinating Unit, that's SOCU, and we are organizing training for our local government enumerators, local government desk officers, and also our CDOs, that's our representatives at the local government. The objective of our organization is actually basically to give support to the most poor and vulnerable among Nigerians and Nigerians. I've worked with them before. So this, our targeting enumerators and local government desk officers have been our foot soldiers. They are people that we have worked with before and we know their capacity and capabilities. So we have modalities on ground, we have templates that we use, and we have also means of verifying the authenticity of getting these poor and vulnerable households. Because we do enumeration, we go to those households, we quantify what they really have and what it takes to be a vulnerable in Nigeria before we enroll them. And coming up with an NIN now, it is also a verifiable, and everybody can testify to that, that is a verifiable means of identifying poor and vulnerable Nigerians. So we applaud the Mr. President and the Niger State government for giving us this opportunity to actually reach out to the right people at this point in time.
I am delighted to welcome you all to this step-down training on NIN integration into the State Social Register SSR. This initiative is critical policy drive of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu administration, aims to provide identity to a leader for and vulnerable households across the country. As we embark on, it's about passion, about putting smile on the face of those who need it the most. Under the administration of Mr. President, His Excellency Bola Ahmed.
From National Social Safety Net Coordinating Office, I am the Zonal MIS. We are here representing the National Program Manager, Dr. Fumi Olotu, in 3 this training program for our enumerators, GROs, and the CDOs, to see that we give them the skill that they will go to the field and also capture and update our register with NIN integrating into our national social register. They make a mistake in any single data, and they make sure that they have captured the data accurately, that there is no any mistake in the data. That is why
what kind of training are you giving them?
We are giving them the training how to use the gadget, the NIMC gadget. NIMC has provided a gadget that this gadget will be used because the register exists already, but we are working on the quality on this register, because under this administration of His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he wanted to give an intervention of 25,000 naira for 3 months, which is 75,000 naira, and it's in this register that they are going to use and pay the beneficiary. And the rules is that each household must have a name, identity, so that if they have a name, this when we compile the list together, we will now send it to the NIM office for the verification. From there, they will now send it to the cash transfer for the payment. That is why we are here.
Ladies and gentlemen, our United Note, let me only start commending the SOCU. What is funding necessary to carry the United Note participation when it comes to this type of government? I was just looking to that something like this overseas. But once you don't say because I'm busy now, the next one to just keep it up. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, I always want us to consider this kind of training, you see, as a foundation towards ensuring the success of our exercise at hand. The final outcome of this
we're trying to pronounce, Mr. Secretary General, our map, we're just writing our thumb. So let me stand on the existing protocol. So on behalf of the Director General of NIMC, Engineer Abisoye Okuka, we want to welcome you to the National Safety Register program and the integration with the NIM. And this is a step down program, as we all, as all of us are all aware from this side of the table, NIMC had this program 6 in all the zone, and all is to train our staff to be able to partner with the state reps so that they can cascade down the program. Now, like my colleague rightly said here, we're here to teach, and all of us don't know it all. So we expect that whatever you don't know, please, there is no big deal. Just ask questions.
But if you go to the field and bring us back data that are not clean, that are not worthy of being used for policy making and decision taking, then all of us are guilty of the same offense. Are we in agreement? Are we in agreement? So it's a challenge on all of us to say, okay, we are going to the field now. Whatever I see is what I'm going to put down. I'm going to tell the truth the way it is, and you'll give us accurate data, because that's going to aid us in the planning process. A lot of people's lives depend on what we're doing, because social protection is all about having accurate data. They are the newest baby on World Bank NDTS platform. Because of the importance of the assignment at hand, World Bank now felt it's important to give them all the maximum support, from the national office to the state offices, to say, come on board, we're going to assist you to gather.
I am delighted to welcome you all to this important training section organized by the State Operations Coordinating Unit in collaboration with the National Coordinating Office of the National Social Safety Net Coordinating Office, NASCO. Today marks a significant step towards in our collective effort to improve the lives of our citizens through effective social intervention programs. As we gather here, we recognize the critical role that an updated and accurate state social register plays in our planning and implementation process.
A good and quality data from the field, because we brought these enumerators and supervisors to go and get us data from the field so that we can plan and implement programs that will be beneficiary to the poor and vulnerable groups. And as you earlier heard all of us saying that we need to have quality data.